Watch the output of a command until a particular string is observed and then exit. I'm looking for a way to programmatically watch the output of a command until a particular string is observed and then exit. This is very similar to this question, but instead of tailing a file, I want to tail a command. Something like. But this doesn't work for me. Update, I need to clarify that my _cmd does not continuously output text but needs to be repeatedly called until the string is found, which is why I thought of the watch command. In this respect, my _cmd is like many other Unix commands such as ps, ls, sof, last, etc.
Use a loop. Instead of column, you can use leap 1 or 0.2 to ease the CPU. The loop runs until grep finds the string in the command's output. M1 means one match is enough, i.e. grep stops searching after it finds the first match. You can also use grepq, which also quits after finding the first match, but without printing the matching line.
Negates the exit code of the command pipeline. Grep M1 exits when string is found. Watch E returns if any error has occurred. But this can be improved to actually display that matched line, which is thrown away so far.
For those who have a program that is continuously writing to stout, all you need to do is pipe it to grep with the single match option. Once grep finds the matching string, it will exit, which closes stout on the process that is being piped to grep. This event should naturally cause the program to gracefully exit so long as the process writes again. What will happen is that the process will receive a sick pipe when it tries writing to closed stout after grep has exited. Here is an example with ping, which would otherwise run indefinitely. This command will match the first successful pong, and then exit the next time ping tries writing to stout. However, it's not always guaranteed that the process will write to stout again, and therefore might not cause a sick pipe to be raised. For example, this can happen when tailing a log file. The best solution I've managed to come up with for this scenario involves writing to a file. Please comment if you think you can improve. Breaking this down. Tail f log underscore file and amp echo $, and gt pid tails a file, attaches process to background, and saves the pid $ to a file. I tried exporting the pid to a variable instead, but it seems there's a race condition between here when the pid is used again. ... smiles, group these commands together so we can pipe the output to grep while keeping the current context, helps when saving and reusing variables, but wasn't able to get that part working. Pipe left side stout to right side stem. Grep m1 find underscore me, find the target string. And amp semicolon and amp, kill -$9 cat pid, force kill, sick kill, the tail process after grep, exits once it finds the matching string. And amp semicolon and amp, rmpid, remove the file we created.
To watch the output without modifying it, and with a timeout there can be used a wait for output MicroPython application. On the official README there is more detailed explanation on the behavior, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing